The Organization of African Unity, OAU, was the continental body that brought all African nations together from 1963 to 2002, when it was transformed into the African Union, AU. Today we study the OAU's founding, principles, achievements, failures, and transformation. The OAU was founded on May 25, 1963 at Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. 32 independent African states were founding members. Emperor Haile Selassie of Ethiopia hosted the conference and was a driving force. May 25 is now celebrated as Africa Day. Key founders: Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana; Haile Selassie, Ethiopia; Julius Nyerere, Tanzania; Leopold Sédar Senghor, Senegal; Sékou Touré, Guinea; Gamal Abdel Nasser, Egypt. There was a fundamental debate at the founding conference. Nkrumah's Casablanca group wanted an immediate United States of Africa, a single government, single army, single currency. Brazzaville/Monrovia group, Nyerere, Senghor, others wanted a looser association that respected national sovereignty first. The Monrovia group won. The OAU was based on cooperation of sovereign states, not political union. The OAU Charter established key principles. 1. Sovereign equality of all member states. 2. Non-interference in internal affairs of member states. 3. Respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. 4. Peaceful settlement of disputes. 5. Condemnation of political assassination. 6. Dedication to decolonization. 7. Non-alignment. The principle of non-interference was the most significant and most controversial. It meant the OAU could not criticize what was happening inside member states, even gross human rights violations. OAU structure. Assembly of Heads of State and Government, met annually, Supreme Body. Council of Ministers, met twice yearly. General Secretariat, HQ Addis Ababa. Commission of Mediation, Conciliation and Arbitration. Liberation Committee, based in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, supported liberation movements. Achievements. 1. Decolonization. The OAU Liberation Committee provided funds, training, and political support to liberation movements, ANC, SWAPO, ZOPU/ZANU. Angola, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Namibia, South Africa all eventually freed partly due to OAU support. 2. Arbitration. The OAU mediated several disputes: the Algeria-Morocco border war, 1963, the Somalia-Ethiopia war. 3. Pan-African solidarity. The OAU gave Africa one voice in international forums, African Bloc in the UN. 4. Completed decolonization. By 1994, end of apartheid, colonialism was officially ended on the African mainland. Failures. 1. Non-interference principle. The OAU could not or would not address atrocities within member states. Idi Amin of Uganda murdered 300,000 Ugandans. The OAU even hosted the OAU summit in Kampala in 1975 and elected Amin as OAU chairman. This was a moral disaster. 2. Ineffective in civil wars. OAU could not stop the Nigerian Civil War, 1967-70, Rwanda genocide, 1994, 800,000 killed in 100 days while OAU was silent, Congo wars. 3. Economic failure. OAU had no mechanism to address Africa's economic underdevelopment. By the 1990s, it was clear the OAU needed fundamental reform. Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi, paradoxically, was the main proponent of a new, stronger organization. The OAU was dissolved and replaced by the African Union, AU, on July 9, 2002 in Durban, South Africa. Key differences: AU allows intervention in member states in cases of genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity, departing from OAU's absolute non-interference. AU has Peace and Security Council. AU has AU Commission, Pan-African Parliament, African Court on Human and People's Rights. Nigeria's contribution. Nigeria has always been a major financial contributor to both OAU and AU and has played a leading role in peacekeeping and decision-making. For WAEC, OAU founded May 25, 1963, Addis Ababa. Nkrumah wanted immediate political union, lost to Monrovia Group. Key principle, non-interference. Achievement, decolonization support. Failure, Idi Amin OAU Chairman 1975. Replaced by AU, July 9, 2002, Durban.